everyone. In this video we talk about basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem from chapter 6 class 10th. Statement: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in the distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. In this statement, given a triangle ABC and a line parallel to BC, XY parallel to BC, which intersect AB at D and AC at D. We need to prove AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Given, let ABC be a triangle XY parallel BC which intersect AB at D and AC at E respectively. To prove AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Construction: draw EM perpendicular AB and DN perpendicular AC. DN perpendicular AC. Join BE and CD. ज्वाइन करेंगे इसे. Proof: we take triangle ADE. In triangle ADE, area of triangle ADE is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2, base is AD, height is EM. And area of triangle BDE is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2, base is BD, height is EM. ऑब्ट्यूज ट्राइंगल में जो परपेंडिकुलर होता है वो ट्राइंगल से बाहर जाता है, इसलिए BDE के एरिया का परपेंडिकुलर हमारा EM होगा. एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ADE अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BDE is equal to 1 by 2 into AD into EM upon 1 by 2 into BD into EM. 1 by 2 cancel, EM cancel, AD upon BD. Number 1 point. In triangle ADE is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2, अब की बार हम बेस लेंगे AE और हाइट लेंगे DM. 1 by 2 into AE into DM. Area of triangle CDE is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height is equal to 1 upon 2 into CE into DN.
Start.
Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CDE is equal to 1/2 into AE into DN upon 1/2 into CE into DN. 1/2 cancel, DN cancel. Area of ADE upon area of CDE is equal to AE upon CE. This is number 2. In 9th class, we read about when two triangles are on the same base and between the same parallels, their areas will be equal. Triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base DE and between the same parallels DE and BC. Area of BDE is equal to area of CDE. Number 3. From 1, 2 and 3, left hand side is equal, therefore right hand side is also equal. AD upon DD is equal to AE upon EC. Hence proof.